The tires hit the gravel, leaving pavement far behind, with a cooler in the trunk and a simple peace of mind. Turning off the highway where the tall pines start to lean, heading down to Ontario, to the deepest shade of green. We pitched the canvas tent right beside the muddy flow, where the current of the Otter has a heavy, steady go. The sun is dipping low, casting shadows on the bank, while we toast to the silence and the water that we drank. I'm rigging up the heavy line, a sinker and a hook, reading patterns in the ripples like a well-worn storybook. There's a monster in the channel, hiding in the dark, waiting for a hunter with a hunger and a spark. Oh, we're camping out at Big Otter Creek tonight, underneath the canopy in the pale moonlight, waiting for the whistle of a catfish on the run, counting every blessing till the rising of the sun. Yeah, the fire's burning bright and the spirit's feeling free, down at Big Otter Creek, that's where I wanna be. I felt the rod tip vanish, then the drag began to scream, a whiskered giant pulling from the middle of the stream. A battle in the shadows, muscle versus graphite bone, until I hauled him to the shore, the biggest one I've known. Now the cast iron is seasoned and the oil starts to pop. We're breading up the harvest till we're ready for the drop. Potatoes in the embers, corn wrapped up in the foil, reward for all the patience and the afternoon of toil. Oh, we're camping out at Big Otter Creek tonight, underneath the canopy in the pale moonlight, waiting for the whistle of a catfish on the run, counting every blessing till the rising of the sun. Yeah, the fire's burning bright and the spirit's feeling free, down at Big Otter Creek, that's where I wanna be. Hey! The cedar logs are snapping, throwing sparks into the air. There's a smoky kind of magic in the clothes we always wear. No signal on the phone, no sirens in the street, just the sizzle of the supper and the rhythm of the heat. We're passing around the stories and we're passing around the plate, finding everything we needed while we sat around and wait. Oh, we're camping out at Big Otter Creek tonight, underneath the canopy in the pale moonlight, waiting for the whistle of a catfish on the run, counting every blessing till the rising of the sun. Yeah, the fire's burning bright and the spirit's feeling free, down at Big Otter Creek, that's where I wanna be. Let the embers turn to orange, let the river hum its tune, sleeping under stars and a silver Ontario moon. Yeah, we're coming back again to the Big Otter Creek,